So this is it. This is all I'm packing for my fishing trip. I've got my rod and reel in there, and then I got water in there. Well, Frank loves the porch now, which is good. Maybe you can piss and shit out there. Let me know.
Hey, we going fishing! I'm gonna catch me a fish.
Don't talk, you're gonna scare them.
Yeah, don't jinx it.
You're gonna scare them away.
I was on the phone with our dad, and he's like, "Whatever you do, throw it back."
Yeah. No, I like to eat them raw.
Turn left. Slight.
Only slight.
Head
Right
toward
into the tree.
Lisa Gore.
What?
Done a bunch of moves already.
Fishing
How are you?
poles.
I didn't understand the moves comment right away. I thought you were talking about like
Mammary glands.
So this is one place that you don't want to fish. There's Hannah.
They don't make any better fishing than that swamp right there.
No, I wasn't saying like that. I was saying like we got to go to the river on the other side, right? Or you want to just fish right there? We go down to the fishing spot. Hey, you better say something funny, because we're running out of content.
we're going to catch fish. Fish.
Okay, so you have fish.
Sorry.
Oh no, I missed it. They kick you in the pussy at 8:30. I don't know if that's AM or PM.
Probably both.
Hey, do rivers have tides?
No, they don't have tides.
Well, when it rains,
They don't have tides.
Maybe go a different way.
airplane. Dude, I'm gonna be the Bella da Ball down here with my chilling reel. Andy said that that's where we can get marlins, so we're gonna go there and get some marlins.
It's the best place for catching mermaids.
Oh, mermaids too? Maybe I'll find the love of my life. So this is...
So what we have here is a fish.
Oh,
And
yeah.
if you look at it, it looks very real, and it's because it is.
Oh, do you guys have like
Sugar
meat?
tits, where's the bait?
It's in the bag.
Got it.
All right. Look at this beautiful place.
Trout nibbles.
Untouched,
Don't we all want some?
untouched by humanity for 1,000 years.
Oh.
Okay, so fishing time, huh? So what I got is called a chillin' reel.
It's just like a beer can with a fishing thing on it. So I gotta string it up.
Here's your beer.
And I gotta get the weight on it. You just gotta tie a knot. One and two. Oh, I messed that up. All right. One here. Okay, wait. Johnny, it's taking a long time. Okay, there we go. Tied, boom. I'll see you when I put bait on it. Chillin' Reel got beer, Chillin' Reel got bait. They've had like 2 casts. I'm doing like my first one. I didn't catch anything, but to be fair, I don't think I wanted to. Okay, Chillin' Reel, second cast. Let's do it. Nice, right? Pretty good distance. Lukewarm Coors Light. Got stuck on a rock. Chillin' Reel, this is probably the worst place to fish ever.
Haynes Point would have actually been perfect for that.
I'm gonna go in and get it. Shit. Hey, bring me your thing there. Can I use your pole there for a second, Andy? My beer's lassoed to a rock down here. I just need to like push it out to get it hooked.
If I have enough string to keep on fishing, I'll be pretty stoked. I kind of shorted myself the other day.
Pretty good stuff. The worst day of fishing beats the what? Worst day of traffic. So that would be the Georgetown crew team. That's like a bunch of millionaires, and then you got a guy with the Chillin' Reel. Be cool. It was me. It's a butterfly right there. Fuck you, bitch. Fresh water. So tasty. Yeah, we're going off-road now, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's like in Blair Witch when they cross the river a few times.
Well, you know that.
And they're like, what? We cross. Fuck. God damn it.
Oh my god.
Is your butt okay?
Dude, I just landed in fucking thorns. God
Oh.
damn, I fucking hate this place. And he got his fishing pole caught in the tree.
There was also a baby snake down here that just about scared the shit out of me. How did this even fucking happen? It's like wrapped all the way around this vine.
Is it yours?
Huh?
Is it your thing?
Mm-hmm.
There's some fresh strawberries if anybody wants one.
Definitely don't eat those
Why?
because they're not strawberries.
They're poison.
Oh yeah, don't eat those. Those are poisonous.
Okay, we're free.
Yay!
I don't want anyone to steal my Yeti.
Hey, by the way, nobody drink too much because we ain't gonna get out of here if we do.
I'll never get out of here alive.
Oh my god. At least the bugs are oppressive.
Yeah, they are.
Alright.
I got down.
Hey, watch out for that snake though.
Ah! What's
There's one right there.
where?
Just step around them. It's hot.
It's hot.
I feel like we're in that movie Peanut Butter Falcon.
I love that movie.
But in this case, we're all retarded.
It's us.
Bury me.
Well, we can't bury your body.
Bury behind
Oh, look,
the,
there's a big bird behind you, Andy.
behind Lord Baltimore Elementary.
Look at him go. You should try to get that thing with the hook.
There are a bunch of chill-ass birds out there.
Holy shit. All right.
I can see.
Andy, there's a cool ass duck next to you.
I do wish I had a bobber.
Love that beam reach though. Slept out. Get it! Wow. All right, here comes cast number 3. Let's see how that goes. Yeah. No, my bait fell off. God damn it. It's not going well. Cough. Oh, my bait fell off, but it's still on the ground. Okay, let's see. Let's see any fish. I'm caught on a rock again. All right, this isn't working. I'm done. Can't do it. You cannot fish out here. Done. Fishing's over. I think that was the last thing. Good luck, everybody who fishes. I got no problem with the chilling reel, but you cannot fish in the fucking Potomac.
This guy?
Oh yeah, you stuck out there, motherfucker.
No, I'm stuck.
We'll come back tomorrow, am I right, Hannah?
No, all right.
God damn, that was a failure, huh?
No way, Jose. Look, we're looking at birds, Chris.
It was fun. Oh yeah, birds are cool. There's a couple over there.
We didn't catch any fish, but we caught some good views of birds.
Yeah.
Fishing, not birding, am I right?
And some good cores.
Yeah.
I saw a snake.
I saw a lizard.
That's 3
I saw a butterfly.
groups.
And we saw those people, which are the fourth. Am I right?
You just ain't seen any fish.
I know. Just far away fish.
Cocksucker fish.
Cocksucking fish. I feel like Homo sapiens sapien crossing the Bering Strait, am I right?
Totally.
Huh?
Totally.
Totally, Jake.
Yo, as long as those mountains are blue, bro.
Which rock? Was it that one? This one?
You're on a teeny rock.
I don't know why the tide would be higher.
I think I just shifted the damn rock.
You want me to toss you a new rock?
Oh boy. Is it this guy?
Hey, we can do like a joke of like a guy's guy joke. Hey, don't spill your beer.
You want to hand off your fishing pole to me?
Yeah, I don't want to lose that.
Yeah, that thing's worth its weight in gold.
Yeah, with all the fish that I can pull in with it. I think I actually need it as like a balancing thing.
Okay. Just don't get the reel wet because it'll ruin all the stuff inside of it. Do you know that?
What, like the string?
No, like the actual reel. You can't get that wet.
It's a fishing pole.
I know. I was reading about this when I was trying to unjam mine. If you get it wet, it gets all locked up.
A lover's quarrel.
It's just a lover informing another.
I think I gotta go like half under on that one, and then just sort of tiptoe to that one.
Your special boots.
It's all about pacing.
Just jump.
Jump to where?
Just,
Okay. I just gotta go.
yeah.
Jump in it.
It was only like 2 inches deep. It was only like 2 inches deep.
Oh, I wasn't worried about going into the ocean. I was worried about getting my feet wet. Oh yeah.
All right, made it.
Blundies. Waterproof.
Sucking turd, bitch.
Sucking turds.
All right, so should we? What do you think we should do?
Go find dinner.
Oh, I can eat dinner.
You guys
Yeah,
want
let's-
to go find some fish and chips somewhere, huh?
Yeah.
Look, we
Oh.
caught a potato.
I actually don't like fish.
This is a real
Let's
plot
throw a
twist of the
butterfly
whole
out
thing is
back.
you actually like fish.
Ethereum's up 5% to $1,216.
Only down from 5,000.
Well, I got it at 4, so fuck you.
Don't worry, everybody. I'm leading us to safety.
Anna, use your pole to support yourself. I can't do that because I have a chillin' reel.
This is a hard. There we go. Did you catch the part where I was trapped?
Yeah, I got the whole dang thing.
I'm stuck. I got
Okay.
it.
Okay, I will be going now.
You could get the Eddie? Oh, yes.
It's red, so nobody will see it.
I wonder if my dick will show up on YouTube. Like a yard.
Shit. Fuck. Shit. God damn. All right. Okay. Hey. Oh, there's like a worm here. We should use that as bait.
Can somebody get the Yeti out of the bushes?
I'm not carrying that back.
No,
No,
okay.
Andy is.
Made it. Now which way do we go? That way or that way? I guess we're going that way.